Hello, teacher.
Hello. Hi, Chula. Hi, can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Can you hear me,
Yes.
Chula? Oh, that's good. How are you today, Chula? How are you today?
I'm great.
Oh, that's good to hear that Chulam is great. So, Chulam is happy today. Are you happy today, Chulam?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Did you eat?
Yes.
Did you eat already, Chulam? Did you
No.
eat already? Not yet. You're hungry?
No.
No, too. Okay. So, how about Chulam? Let me share to you our lesson and let me know if you can see it now, Chulam. Can you see it now?
No.
Not yet. Okay. So wait for a while. We will going to see your lesson.
Okay.
Okay. How about now, Chulam? Can you see it now? Can you see it now, Chulam?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Let's continue our lesson yesterday, Chulam, about okay, soccer practice. Okay, so now Chulam, how to read this word again? This is how to read this word again?
Mm, what? Wait. Wait.
This one. Mm,
No.
let's say football. Let's say football.
Football.
Okay, very good.
Football.
Okay, can you spell football, Chulam? F.
Football.
Yay! Okay, very good, Chulam. Now let's read the sentence. I like to play football.
I like to play football.
Do you know how to play football, Chulam? Or soccer?
No, I
Oh,
don't
okay.
like
You don't know.
football.
Oh, you don't like this one. Okay. How about this one?
Mm.
Let's say you don't like. What do you want to play, Chulam? What do you play? Jumping rope? Hide and seek? Hide and seek?
No.
I can read that. I
Mm.
can touch the ball. What do you play? Hide and
Um,
seek. You're gonna hide and then they will find you. What do you play? Hmm.
play.
What do you play, Chulam? Playing toys?
I like play.
You like running? What do you play,
No.
Chulam? What do you
I
play?
like.
Jump rope? Jumping rope? Chulam?
No, MC. It's
Okay.
that.
That one is soccer. Do you know how to play that? Do you know how to play that? Yes, really? Okay. Now, how about you, Lam? Okay, let's read the word. Let's say catch. Let's say catch. Catch. Okay, let's spell catch. C.
CITCH.
Very good, Chulam. Okay, now let's read the sentence. Let's say, I can catch the ball. I
I
can.
can catch the ball.
Very good. I can catch the ball. Okay, very good, Chulam. Now, how about this one? Who is this? Who is playing football? Do you know who is this? It's Timmy. Okay, do you want to play with Timmy? Do you want to play with Timmy? Yes. Okay, next one. Timmy and you, the same age. Timmy is 7 years old too. Just like Chula. Yes. Okay. Now this one, Chulam. Let's say badminton. Bad.
Badminton.
Do you know how to play this? Badminton?
No.
Oh, you don't know to play this one. Oh, look at this one. Timmy and his
Yes.
grandpa are playing badminton. You don't know how to play that?
Yes. Yes. No. No.
Okay. No, 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 no. Okay, now Chulam, let's read the sentence. Let's say, we like to play badminton.
We like to play badminton.
Okay, again, we like to play badminton.
We like to play badminton.
Okay, very good, Chulam. Okay, next one, Chulam. Let's have activity time. Can you match the football and the badminton? You match Chulam, badminton and football. You match Chulam, badminton and football. Wow, very good. Very good, Chulam. You're able to match football and badminton. Okay, now Chulam. Okay, you write football. Can you write football? You write here. You write here football. Can you write inside the box football and badminton? Can you write here?
Okay.
You can use you can use the text. Right here. Beside the ball and beside the racket. F.
Okay. FOOT. B.
Next.
LL.
Okay, you're right there.
Oh.
I.
No. L.
Okay, very good. Oh, the other one is. Okay, now how about badminton? Can you write badminton too beside the racket?
Yes.
Okay.
Yay.
Yay.
Yes.
You're right there. Badminton. Badminton.
In. N. O.
Oh. Badminton. Badminton.
O.
Badminton.
O.
Where's the O? You cannot see O.
O. Yes.
Oh no, it's
No,
beside.
no, 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 no.
It's beside. It's beside I. You used it earlier for football.
Okay.
Oh, where's the N now? Where's the N now? Yes.
No.
There is a missing letter, Chulam. A badminton. What's the missing letter? Okay, very good. Okay, what game is this again? It's let's say badminton. Badminton. Okay, very good. Next, do you want to play badminton? You want to play badminton?
No.
Why?
No.
Why you don't like? Okay, next. This one. Let's say football. Let's say football.
Football.
Let's say chip, chip, chip. Because you were going to kick the ball. Okay, very good, Chulam. Okay, next one, Chulam. You will going to complete the words. Oh no! Complete the words, Chulam. Write the missing letter. Write the missing letter. What's the missing letter for football, catch, and badminton? Write the missing letter.
Football.
Yes. Football, 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 football.
Don't know. It's football.
You don't know football? Oh no. You just spell this one, Chulam. Look at the spelling. Oh no. Look at the spelling. Football. Badminton. But your answer for number
Football
2 is correct. What's the missing letter for football? Football, football. Letter T? Okay, you're right there. Letter T. Can you write letter T?
Done.
Okay. How about for badminton? Badminton. Badminton, badminton. You're right, badminton.
Is B.
You're right there. What's the bad? Badminton. What's the missing letter for badminton?
Is T. T.
Bad. Badminton. You're right there.
No.
It's, oh no, not letter T. Not letter T, Chulam. Not letter T.
T.
Okay.
But I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, I'll give you a hint. This one is not correct, not correct, not correct, not correct. So what the letter you are going to use? Since you used this one already.
D.
You used this one
S,
already?
T.
You used already the T and H. What's the missing letter that you can use it for badminton? Bad. D. Bad. D. Oh no. That is letter. Letter what?
D.
Yes. Oh, you're right. Letter D. Okay. Yay. Okay. Now, Chula, you spell football. Let's say football.
Football. Football.
Let's say Football. Football.
O-O-T-B-L-O-O.
Okay, very good. Next one. Let's say catch.
Catch, catch.
Okay, you spell CATCH.
C,
CATCH. Okay, very good, Chulab. Now, this time, let's say badminton.
Badminton.
Okay, you spell badminton. Badminton.
BIDMOEE
MIN.
MINTON.
Okay, very good, Chulam. Let's say it again. BIDMINTON.
What is that?
It's a flower. You see it, Chulam?
Two.
What? You want to?
Roof.
You want to make a flower too?
Two. Two. Hmm. No, no,
Hmm.
no.
No, no, no.
Yes. No, no, no.
Why? Oh, I have a pretty
No.
flower now, Chulam. I have a pretty
Yes.
flower. I have a pretty flower.
Hmm? Hmm? Matik na. Ayun. Hmm?
I
Oh
have a
no.
pretty flower. Oh no, you
Very
Chulam
big.
don't know how to make
No,
it.
no, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no.
You don't know how to
No,
make
no,
it,
no.
Chulam?
Yes.
Mm.
No.
Okay. But this is your reward, Chulam. It's for you.
Yeah.
It's
Thank
for you.
you.
Okay, very good, Chulam. You're able to spell and complete the words for football, catch, and badminton. So I make you uh Do you know how to make this one, Chulam? A happy
No.
flower for Chulam. Yay! Congratulations, Chulam.
Yay.
Okay. And
Okay.
And now, Chulam, let's have your next activity. What happened to your teeth? Can I see your teeth? A lot of missing now. Okay, now, Chulam, label the picture. Label the picture. Go, Chulam. You know how to do this one. Your answer for this, you're gonna write your answer for this. You right here, okay?
Oh, cry.
Do you know the spelling? Do you know the spelling? Don't worry, Chulam. I'll give you an option. I'm gonna write.
Yes, but I don't know.
Uh, all you need to do is football.
Eh?
What? Yes.
Huh?
Okay. Just choose. What's your answer, Chulam?
Oh, oh, oh.
You're right there. Just choose your answer here. Write your answer here. Write your answer here. Write your answer here.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Oh, oh.
What happened to your letters? Why you write it individually? Don't worry, I'm going to arrange that one, Chula.
Okay. A,
Oh, it's okay now.
T, C, H. Done!
Okay,
Next what? A,
go.
A, D, N. E, N, T. O,
There's a missing. So I will going to arrange a letter now, Chula.
okay.
Okay. Oh, why it's double N? Where are we going to put the other N? Ah, you're right. You're right. Wait a moment. Let's move your letters. Okay. So it's complete now, Chulam. What's the answer for number one? For number one,
Okay.
it is number one. What's your answer for number one, Chulam? It is number one is pet. Read your answer for number one. It is number one is Chulam. Number one is you read your answer for number one. It's bad. Number one, number one. What's this? Badminton. Let's say badminton. Nah,
Badminton.
very good. Okay, next, number two. This is catch. Okay, very good. Next one, this. Oh, yay! Okay, so another flower for Chulam. Let's make another flower for Chulam. Today, I will make a flower for Chulam. What?
Big star.
I'll make a flower for Chulam. Another flower for Chulam. Chulam. Another flower for Chulam. Another flower for Chulam.
Ooh.
Oh, do you know how to do this? Do you know how to do this, Chulam? You don't know why.
No.
Why you don't know how to do this? You should know.
Hee
I'll make,
hee.
yeah. This is for Chulam. Another flower for Chulam. Ah, star for you. Me, I gonna reward you a flower.
No, 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 no. No, no, no.
No, no, no.
Big
Is
star. One
big star.
in two in three in four in five.
Ah, this one is for Chulam. Ah, you have a very big star.
Yeah.
Very big star. Me, I have a new flower for you. I have a new flower for Chulam. Another one.
Teacher Iris.
Yes, Chulam. Oh, you have a happy flower. Yes. Okay, but we will going to make an eye too. Let's make an eye. Do you know how to make an eye,
Eyes?
Chulam? Yes, eyes. Like this.
Wow, big
Wow.
eye.
Big eyes. You don't know how to do this? Oh, it's sad. Yay! Oh, oh, the flower is not pretty. Wait, let's make a pretty one. Yay! It's done already. Okay, you don't know how to make this, Chula?
Do.
Okay, that is for Chula because you were able to participate with our class today. And Chulam, since we're running out of time, see you again next Friday. Bye bye. Good night.
Good night.
Good night, Chulam.
Good night. Con xong nay học nhanh vậy.
Con nào phấn khởi thì học nhanh.